Hi everybody, welcome to another mini lecture. This one is questions to ask and answer before you do assessment. There are some key questions you need to ask yourself and your assessment team before you dive into any assessment project. Failure to do so will result in frustration, poor or unusable results, and wasted resources. You've been warned. First one is, what do I want to know? What is the purpose, goal, or reason for doing the assessment? And please be as clear and as explicit as possible. For example, evaluating the effectiveness of a program or service. You need to be clear about the boundaries of the program, what's involved, or what aspects of the service that you're actually interested in assessing. What does success look like? If you're evaluating a program or project, what does success look like? How do you know if the program or project succeeded or not? You need a clear idea up front, and you have to decide before the assessment process starts, not changing it midstream. What am I going to do with the findings? How do I plan to use the data? Remember that assessment is a form of action research, and it's designed to be implemented or acted upon. It's not a wouldn't it nice to know type of research, nor is it curiosity-based research. Both of those, by the way, are admirable, but they're just not the purview of assessment. The second part of this is, will I act on the findings? You must have the political will to act on the results, especially if they turn up something that you really didn't want to know, like the failure of a favored program or the ineffectiveness of the dean's pet project. Otherwise, you're wasting everybody's time and your library's scarce resources, especially the valuable time and goodwill, think social capital, of your users and stakeholders. Another important question to resolve is, what assessment method should I use? There's no one universal assessment method. There's no silver bullet. There's no one-size-fits-all. All the methods require time and effort. Assessment's hard work, and it is time-consuming. There's no easy way out. And the most effective methods are those used systematically over time. Assessment is iterative. It's ongoing. It's not once and done. And one of the goals of this class is to help you match your assessment purpose with an appropriate method. While I'm at it, I thought it might be useful at this point to touch on the difference between causation and correlation, because you will be asked and you'll need to answer, how do I demonstrate causation? And the truth of the matter is, you can't. In assessment, correlation tends to be the best you can achieve. And just so we're clear about what we're talking about, I'll give you some definitions of correlation and causation. Correlation is where two factors or variables are related. They're linked in some way. You may or may not know how they're linked, but they are associated. For example, frequent student use of library resources is associated or correlated with higher GPA. Causation, on the other hand, is literally cause and effect. One factor or variable causes another to occur. For example, the application of heat to gasoline causes an explosion. The barriers to proven causality are extremely high, very difficult, and are beyond the capabilities of available assessment methods. If in the course of this course you have any questions, of course, please feel free to contact us, and we'll do what we can to help you sort it out.